While working on a takeoff in PROtrade, you can of course just draw out your takeoff items, right-click on them, and type in a product name, but you'll have to repeat this process for every product on every job. And your reports will also be limited to reporting in basic measurements, linear feet, square feet, etc. But by creating products for your database, you'll have a list of products tailored to your business, and you'll be able to input product dimensions and waste factors to produce a shippable list of materials. Let's take a look at how this works. Here, I've done a takeoff for the roof, and I have measured the square footage for the shingles, as well as the linear footage around the perimeter for the drip edge. I'll just quickly type in the names for the products here, and create an itemized materials list. And I can see that I have about 250 lineal feet of drip edge and 2,300 square feet of shingles. For some jobs, this might be all you need, but there's no reason not to add in these products so they're available again in future jobs. So to create products, head to the Database tab and switch to the Products tab. Notice that the products we typed in are showing up in our products list. I'll delete these so we can start from scratch. Click the plus button to create a new product, and we just need to fill in some basic information about the product. Starting with the name here, I'll type in roof shingles. Then we'll want to choose what attributes we want to attach to this product. Attributes are a way of distinguishing similar products by type, finish, color, grade, species, etc. So in this case, I can add the year ratings as attributes to provide flexibility for this product on all future jobs I might be bidding on. I'll add the attributes 25 year, 30 year, and 40 year. Then you'll have the option to choose the default attribute. This will be selected for you initially when you call out roof shingles in the digitizer. Just select an attribute and click Set Default. You can also set Not Specified as the default, but I'll choose 25 year as the default since they're fairly common. Next, we can optionally enter in the dimensions for this product. Now, if you just need to report square footages, linear footages, or volumes, you can just leave these fields blank, and the product will report exactly like it did when we manually entered the product name before. I'll leave this blank for now, but we'll come back to this in just a moment. And finally, you'll have the option to apply a waste percentage to this product. It will simply add a specified percentage of waste to the report. I'll enter a 10% waste here, and then click Save. Once the product is created, we can also assign a specific color to it by clicking this Edit button. I'll repeat this process for the drip edge. Click the plus button, type in the name, and this time I'll leave the attributes blank. And again, if I just need the linear footage, I can leave the dimensions alone. I'll also choose not to assign a waste factor here, and just click Save. I'll select a color again, and then we can head back to the digitizer to see how all of this works. Now instead of typing the name to assign a product, just come to Products and choose More Products. Click into the Product Picker field and select the product from your product database. Doing so will assign the product and change the color of the item. I'll repeat this process again for the shingles, but this time in the Product Picker, I can press the right arrow key to select an attribute for the product. Then click OK. And we can look at the report again. It looks the same as before, but this time the shingles include a 10% waste, and with these products saved, all of our future projects will have consistent report formatting. For some jobs, this may be all you need to do, but with just one more step, we can choose to enter specific product dimensions and create a shippable material list. Back in the Products tab, we can click the Edit button for the shingles, and maybe this time I want to report in squares of shingles. I can type 10 by 10 to cover 100 square feet, and change the name to Squares of Roof Shingles. Similarly, for the drip edge, I'll click Edit and enter the dimensions for a specific product, 3 inches wide by 10 feet long. Now, if I go to view the report again, I'll see that I'm now reporting 26 10-foot pieces of drip edge and 26 squares of shingles. So, whether you need to quickly estimate linear and square footages, or you need to create a shippable list of materials with a specific quantity of products, you can save yourself time make your estimates more efficient, and have more consistent and professional reports by creating products in your database. Don't forget to check out our video on creating applications for your database, as well as the video on how to manage your PROtrade database. Links to those are available below the video.